Hello and welcome to Programming Rush. Today in this video we are going to learn to check a number is Armstrong or not in C++ or C. So what is the Armstrong number? An Armstrong number is a number which is equals to its cube of its digits. So let's say 153 is Armstrong number. Why? Because 1 cube, that is 1, plus 5 cube, that is 125, plus 3 cube, that is 27, that equals to 153. So 153 is an Armstrong number. 1 is also an Armstrong number because it is equals to its sum of its cube, which is the cube of 1 is 1. But let's say 12 is not an Armstrong number because it is the sum of its cube of digits is 1 plus 8, which is equals to 9. So 12 is not an Armstrong number. So our approach will be as follows. Let us say we have a number n and it has, let's say, 2 3 digits, whatever, and now we will extract its last digit. We will take the numbers last digit. Let us take the example n equals to 153, and then we will take the last digit that is equals to 3. Now what we will do, we will take another variable, let's say sum, and we will tell it to add it sum plus 3 cube, which is, or let's say any function to cube, we will give 3 and the power 3, which will return us the cube. Next what we will do, we will reduce the n, means divide n by 10 to get it as 15. We will take only integer part, and again then we will take the last digit, which will be equals to 5 now because the last digit is 5. And now we will do again the same thing, sum equals to sum plus power 5 comma 3. Again we will reduce the n to, means divide the n by 10 to get n as 1, and then do that as last digit, as the last digit is here 1, so it will be 1. And then what we will do, we will add it with the sum, so sum will be equals to, now 3 cube plus 5 cube means sum power 1 comma 3. So and that will equals to 153, or any number we will get by computing the Armstrong part. And if this sum, and finally we will end the loop by saying that if n is greater, we will run until the n is greater than 0. When n becomes 0, we will exit it. And then check if sum is equals to sum equals n or not. We will make here something, another variable. We will take another variable and check if sum is equals n, and if yes, we will print yes, it is an Armstrong number, or else it is not an Armstrong number. So remove the parts and write a code. So let us declare a variable, let's say our num. What we'll do, we will ask the user to enter a number. Okay, then we will take the number as input, create another variable int, let's say numd, which is num dummy, and we will save it the value as num. We are creating here a num dummy or num duplicate. Now what we will do, we will create another variable int sum initialized to 0. Now what we will do, we will run a while loop, while num dummy is or duplicate is greater than 0, what we will do, we will extract the last digit. So int last digit equals to num mod 10. Mod 10 gives us the remainder. So when dividing num by 10, numd by 10, sorry, we will get the last digit, and then what we will do, we will take this sum, add it, and multiply the last digit with itself 3 times. I am not using any function here, but you can use it. It's very simple. And then what we will do, we will reduce the num variable, numd variable, or let's say we will divide it by 10. So we can do it like this, and so it will run until we will get numd as 0. And now finally what we will do, or numd is greater than 0, we can say like this, that also. And then we will check if num is equals to sum, then what we will do, we will print the number, let's say num is an Armstrong, it is an Armstrong number. Yes, else the same message. Well, let's copy it. Yeah, you know now what to do, is not an Armstrong number. So this is our the code. Let's zoom it out little bit. Yeah, so this is our code. Now let us run it. I am using C++, but the same code can be implemented using printf and scanf in C also. So now let us run it, armstrong.cpp, and let us wait to compile, and let us run it. By mistake I run the, yeah, enter a number 153. 153 is an Armstrong number. Let us run another code. 5 is not an Armstrong number. 1 is an Armstrong number. 371 is an Armstrong number. Another example, 451 is not an Armstrong number. So this was the code. You will get it in the description. And thank you for watching this video. This was the whole algorithm. This is the basic algorithm code. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it, subscribe Programming Rush, and see you in the next video. Thank you.